Hello friends, welcome to AWS Basic Part 2. So today we will just see that all the services of the AWS by category wise, how the AWS has segregated those services under categories, and what are those categories under that we get those services. So let's go to the console, that from there we can just check that whether how we can see those services. So stay tuned with us. So hi friends, so we are assuming that you all have created your AWS free tier account, and we are just going to the console for that, and let me log in on the my account, and let me give my ID, and then I will give my password. Okay. Once you land on the AWS console, so we will see the console like this, and the whatever the services you have visited in the past, you will be able to see those services here. So I have used these much of services in recent past, so I am able to see that. And then we do have an option view all services. Then you can, if you will click on that one, so you will see all the categories. We'll go for that shortly. But before that, I would like to tell you that if in the right top, uh, there is a region in define in which region you are working. Like here, it's a North Virginia. We call it a US East one. Same way, Ohio, North California, Oregon, Mumbai, Osaka, Seoul. So you have to ensure that in which region you are working, because in the AWS we do have a regional services and global services. Global services you can see from any region. Means once you log in on those services, so you directly go to the any console which is related to that global. So let me show you something. Like you are in the North Virginia region, so this is IAM is the global policy. So once you will click on this one, so you will see that our console, where it was showing you the region, so it will not show that region. Now it is visible as a global. So this is the difference. So here you can go from the any region. So this is the basic understanding which I wanted to tell you. Then let's go to the our main topic today, which we want to cover, that how the AWS has categorized those services which are offered by AWS. So we do have a different categories. Like in compute, we do have a EC2, Lightsail, Lambda, Batch, Elastic Beanstalk, serverless application, repository, AWS Outpost, image builder, app runner, Space Weaver. So this is just for your knowledge, so that you will be aware about that. What are the services suggest in the AWS and in which category it lies, right? The same way, if we'll go to the container, then we'll see that we do have ECR, ECS, EKS, Red Hat OpenShift services on AWS, right? And the similar way, if you'll go to the storage, then you will be able to see the S3 storage, EFS file sharing, FSX, which for the window, S3 Glacier, storage gateway, which is we're using for that migration or hybrid kind of environment, AWS backup. Then similar way, if you'll see the database, what are the database available on the by the AWS? So these are the RDS, Elastic SC, Neptune, Amazon QLDB, DocumentDB, Keyspace, TimeStream, DynamoDB, MemoryDB for Redis, right? So my friends, these are the migration and transfer. We do have a services, AWS Migration Hub, Application Migration Service, and Discovery Service. So similar way, we do have other service as well. Similar way, if you'll go to the networking, so VPC, CloudFront, Route 53, API Gateway, Direct Connect, AppMess, Global Accelerator, and AWS Private 5G is also there, right? So if you'll see the similar way, if you are the developer and you want to you want to try on that one. So we do have a different offering from the AWS side, that is Code Star, Code Commit, Code Build, Code Deploy, Code Pipeline, Cloud9, Cloud Sail, and Application Composer. These are the services are offered by them. And the similar way, we do have a customer enablement, robotics, blockchain, satellites. And if you'll see under the analytics, we do have Athena, Amazon Redshift, Cloud Search, open source services. And if you'll see, if you're interested in the game development, so we do have two services from the AWS, that is the Game Lift and Game Sparks. We do have a services available for the Internet of Things as well. So you can see that multiple services are available under that. And end user computing, as we do have a workspace, AppStream 2.0 workspace web is also there. So machine learning, which is a hot topic to nowadays, we do have SageMaker, Code Guru, Augmented AI, and the latest service which is related to the generative AI. This is Amazon Bedrock, which is introduced by the AWS recently. So the same way, we do have application integration service category, front end, web and mobile, AWS cost management. You will see that in under cost explorer, AWS budget, billing, and these are the services offered by the AWS. Similar way, management and governance, we do have organizations, CloudWatch, auto scaling, cloud formation config, service catalog, system manager, trusted advisor, control tower, license manager, well architect tool. And for the security, identity, and compliance, we do have IAM, Cognito, Secret Manager, Guard Duty, and latest offering from here is AWS Payment Cryptography. So I hope you understood these categories and you are good to know, you are familiar with all these services, what are the offering from the AWS side. And then in next video, we will cover a few services one by one. Each services will go deep dive into it, and then we'll see that what are the offerings under that one and what are the things we can do under that one. Till then, stay tuned with us. So be available with us, and whatever you want to, if you have any kind of a doubt, you can just you can just put the comment in the comment box, and we'll go for those training as well. Thanks for watching AWS Basic Part 2, and we will come soon with the other videos of our training. And if you have some other, if you want to know about some other AWS service, which is you think that it's you want to know about that one, please put it in the comment box so that we'll come with that service shortly, and we'll deep dive into it and we'll together. So till then, happy learning. Bye.